Welcome to Day 4 of the Path for Relationships. In our previous session, we continued practicing a meditation technique to get to know ourselves and the people around us better. We made a conscious effort to see them from different angles in order to be able to find better ways to interact with them. Today, we are going to practice a meditation technique to achieve a neutral approach to internal and external situations in our everyday life. Through this practice, we can see ourselves and others without judgment or preconceptions. This will enable us to improve our interactions with others. The first impression we get from a new person tends to be from personality traits such as their gender and their overall image and physicality. Even if we haven't exchanged a single word or interacted with them, but rather witnessed their behavior from afar, we still have a tendency to immediately develop our own idea of who they are and categorize them based on this. When we interact with each other, we all go through the same habit of preconceptualizing people. We all categorize and place people in either a positive or a negative group. Ironically, these preconceptions are happening in our heads and are encouraged by our own imagination. To put it in other words, we imagine that someone is a certain way and we get attached to that idea. We tend to forget that there are many layers to someone's personality the same way that there are many layers to our own personality. Creating an idea of someone based on a 5-minute encounter and our own imagination is in a certain way unfair and more often than not inaccurate. Based on our own needs and wants, we can be selective about the people we surround ourselves with and the people we choose to further develop relationships with. Keeping an open mind and a neutral or impartial approach when initiating any kind of relationship with someone will help us to see and interact with people with a higher sense of awareness, tolerance, and understanding. With better interactions and higher tolerance and understanding comes less conflict. With less conflict, we live a happier life. Find a comfortable position, making sure there is no tension in your spine and neck. Whenever you are ready, take a long, deep breath, and during the inhalation, close your eyes. Place your attention on your breathing and notice how your body reacts every time air comes in and out. If your mind wanders off with random thoughts, gently bring your attention back to your breathing. At your own pace, keep your breathing natural and without any control. Every day, whether we see it or not, the sun comes out and illuminates the world. Sunlight will shine the same on a businessman or a beggar, on an open field covered in flowers, or an industrial factory, on one country or another. Sunlight will not withhold its light. It will simply just shine. Approaching the world from the same neutral perspective opens within us a higher level of presence in our everyday life. It is like seeing the world through the eyes of a child. Everything looks like a possibility, and we become aware of our surroundings. At your own pace, bring your attention back to your breath. Take a long, deep breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth, making it as long and gentle as is comfortable for you. During your next inhalation, expand your belly as far out as you can, but without forcing it. And during the exhalation, relax your belly. Do the same thing during your next inhalation. Expand your chest, and during the exhalation, relax your belly. Make sure to make the breaths as long as is comfortable for you. At your own pace, keep your breathing natural and without any control. Slowly bring your attention back into the room. Gently move your feet up and down like pushing on a pedal. Slowly close and open your hands, and at your own pace, open your eyes. Today, as you go about your day, try to consciously keep a neutral approach to any difficult situation you face. Do not judge positively or negatively, but instead, see if you can step back and simply contemplate the situation in your mind. Try to become aware of why the situation happened and see if by keeping a neutral approach you can have a quicker and better resolution. Congratulations on completing the 4th day on the relationships path. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.